Welcome to Online Philosophy. This week we're going to talk about medieval philosophy and particularly scholasticism. After Marcus Aurelius, the Roman Empire began to disintegrate. Two factors contributed to the fall of Rome. Number one, the question of what to do with the Christians. And number two, the barbarian invasions. Rome's population suffered because of this. In 1 AD, Rome had 1 million people, but by 450, it only had 400,000, and by the end of the Dark Ages, it had somewhere between 10,000 and 20,000. The West entered the Dark Ages in 476 with the fall of Rome and ended in 1000. Now I recognize that some people do not believe that the Dark Ages is a good label for this period. They say that there was some education and there were some advances. But it was still pretty dark, as we're going to see in a minute. In 529, Justinian I closed the schools of philosophy and helped darken the Dark Ages. The Roman Catholic Church gradually took control. The Pope fought with various Western kings over control of the Roman Empire. They largely succeeded in ruling the West, creating the Holy Roman Empire. They used religion, interdicts, etc. to control. They attempted to conquer the world for Christ, militarily, with 4 crusades to retake the Holy Land, the first in 1096 to 1099, and the last in 1204. Perhaps as seriously, they began to control the world educationally. They forbid the study of philosophy, controlled the curriculum, controlled the schools, even controlled who could study, which was basically the clergy. Philosophy and intellectualism survived thanks to a few brave scholars, especially Thomas Aquinas. Thomas was born in Italy, the center of the Holy Roman Empire, and worked in the church for his entire adult life. Here's a test question. Know this in order: the Dark Ages, the Crusades, and Thomas Aquinas. Here's to a good week in philosophy.